Looking for a washing machine that's portable, compact, and easy to use? Check out Cloud Mini Folding Washing Machine. This ultrasonic cleaning washer is perfect for those who want to wash their clothes on the go. Whether you're traveling or just don't have the space for a traditional washing machine. Do you want 51% discount? Click now. The link in description. This foldable washing machine is small enough to fit in your suitcase or backpack, making it perfect for travelers who want to stay fresh and clean while on the road. It's also perfect for those who live in small apartments or dorm rooms and don't have space for a full-size washing machine. Do you want 51% discount? Click now. The link in description. With its automatic cleaning cycle and USB power source, this washer is both convenient and easy to use. Simply add water and detergent, and let the ultrasonic waves do the work of cleaning your clothes. Plus, the compact design means you won't have to sacrifice valuable living space for a bulky washing machine. Do you want 51% discount? Click now. The link in description. So why wait? Try Cloud Mini Folding Washing Machine today and experience the convenience and portability of a mini washing machine. Do you want 51% discount? Click now. The link in description.